For the 2016 series, I'm going to try something fun and adventurous. Rather than taking a particular technology and sort of leaving it in its own tier in the architecture, I want to focus instead on singular concepts and then trace them through the various tiers and pieces of the architecture in distributed web-oriented and enterprise systems. So I'll focus on things like the impact of this idea on performance or security or evolvability. So those ideas will transcend and will take the singular focus through various cross-cutting concerns. The first of my new talks, where I take a singular idea and run it through the various architectural elements, components, cross-cutting concerns, is on identity. Before you allow anybody to do anything in a distributed or web-oriented or enterprise system, you need to know who they are. If they need to make a claim, you need to verify it through some kind of check of credentials, through an authentication mechanism. So we're going to look at how do we identify users, how do we identify resources, how do we challenge somebody who has made a claim verification, and how do we store their credentials such that hackers cannot trivially take them from our databases. So come hear about how we establish standards for identification, identifiers, how do we have users make claims, how do we challenge them, how do we check their credentials, and how do we store them. This will cross-cut the various aspects of identity management and lay down the foundation for most of the rest of the talks.